Okay. So Sanvi, 3 square, 3, 4, 3, 8, 3 raised to power 14. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
A cube, A square, A5, 7x plus 2, 15 minus 10, 5, 6, 5 cube. Any doubt about this? Samaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So we are applying a simple formula. A raised to power m into A raised to power n is equal to A raised to power m plus n. This is the formula that we are using. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Second formula that we are using is A raised to power m upon A raised to power n is equal to A raised to power m minus n. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is another formula that we have used, that A raised to power m whole power n is equal to A raised to power m into n. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So these are the three formulas that we have used. You are aware of these formulas?
Yeah.
Can you please write these formulas again? Can you please note these formulas again?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have used these formulas here. And okay, so next question is 2 raised to 5, 5 raised to 5. Okay, is it correct or not? Soumya ji, is it correct?
I don't think so.
Why don't you think so?
Because 2 and 5, they are two different bases.
Shabash.
Yeah.
Ji, Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
But the formula is A raised to power m into A raised to power n is equal to A raised to power m plus n. Have you understood this?
Yeah, yes.
So for example, if you have A raised to power m into B raised to power n, then this would just be AMBN. Any doubt about this or not?
No, sir. No doubt.
Because
No doubt.
that is what you have done here. So because bases are different, A and B is different. So you can't apply this rule on this question. Okay, 3 raised to power 4, 3 raised to power 12. This is A raised to power m whole power n is equal to A raised to power m into. So this is correct, no doubt. Okay. Okay. So next question is 2 raised to power 20, 2 raised to power 15, 2 raised to power 5, 20 minus 5, 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Correct. रुद्र कोई डाउट है इसमें?
नहीं सर.
Okay, perfect. Anybody has doubt in question number 1? Hello?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So question number 2. In question number 2, all that I need to do is I need to write this as 2 square and this is 3, and then I can reduce this 32 to 2 raised to power 5. Any doubt about this? Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
And then what I can do is 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 minus 5. So this is 3 plus 2 minus 5 into 3 raised to power 4 minus 1. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So,
Sir, can you explain it again?
yeah, sure. So for example, 2 cube has come here, 3 raised to power 4 has come here, 4 has come here, 3 has come here, and 2 raised to power 5 has come here. So this is perfect. Now after this is 2 cube and this is 2 cube. Now, okay. See, the simple thing that you can do is you can also write this 4 as a 2 square. Sanvi, any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So for example, if I use your method, when I am doing this, what I'll write as 2 cube into 2 square divided by 2 raised to power 5 is equal to 2 raised to power 5 minus 5 is equal to 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Soumya ji, any doubt? Soumya ji, any doubt? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
So I have dealt with all the 2. Then I am going to deal with the 3's. And what I write is 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 cube. Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what I have now is this 1 multiplied by this 3 cube, which is equal to 3 cube. Soumya ji, any doubt still?
No, sir.
And what I had done previously was, in a single step, I had done everything. So what I had done was 2 cube into 3 raised to power 4 into 2 raised to power square upon 3 into 2 raised to power 5. Now what I had done was, in a single step, what I had done was 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 minus 5 into 3 raised to power 4 minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to power 0 into 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 1 into 3 raised to power cube is equal to 3 raised to power cube, which can also be written as 27. So here I have followed Sanvi's method, in which I have dealt with 2 and 3 separately. Whatever answer that I have got, then I have combined this, and this is the final answer that I've got. And another method of doing this is that in a single step, you deal with 2 and 3 in the same line. Sanvi ji, any doubt?
No, no, sir.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, no, sir.
Mr. Rudra, doubt?
Yes.
Okay. Then we come to fifth part. Fifth part is 3 raised to power 7. 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 3 raised to power 0, 1. Perfect. Very nice. Any doubt about question number 5th?
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is 1, 1, 1. This is 3. Any doubt about 6th part?
No, sir.
There was a 4th part also. I think you have skipped that.
Yes, sir. You had given 4th question also.
Okay, can somebody tell me what is the 4th question? 4th part?
3 into 7 square
Okay,
into 11 raised to 8
okay.
upon 21 into 11 raised to 3.
Sir, I think I've done this. It's on the next page.
It is on the next page. 1 second.
No, no, no. I've not done it. No.
So should we discuss this also? So Sanvi, how can I do this?
You will have to do 3 into 7 raised to 2 into 11 raised to 8 upon 21 into 11 raised to 3. So it will be 3 raised to 7 raised to 2 into 11 raised to 8 minus 3 upon 3 into 7.
Anybody has a doubt?
Sir, so do you divide 21 by 3?
No. What I did was, see, one thing that I can do is, usually when I get a question like this, if this was not an exponent chapter, what I would have done is, I would have cancelled 3 and 7. Then I would have cancelled 7 and this, and then I would have got the answer. But in this topic, I'm trying to use the laws of exponents. Have you understood what I've said?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm trying to do is that this 21, I have wrote 21 as 3 into 7. Have you understood?
Okay. Yeah.
And why do I do that? Because then I have a 3, I have a 7, and I have 11.
Okay.
Shwara, any doubt?
No, sir.
When I deal with this 3, this is 1 minus 1. Then
Yeah.
I deal with this 7, which is 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
Then deal with this 11, which is 8 minus 3.
Okay. Got it.
Soumya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sanvi, any doubt?
No, sir.
This 3 raised to power 0 is 1 into 7 into 11 raised to power 5, which will be finally, this would be my final answer. 7 into 11 raised to power 5. This would be my final answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So basically, in these kind of questions, in exponent questions, primarily you have to do prime factorization. So you have to take prime factors and then you have to do. Have you understood what I've said?
Yes, sir.
8th part, this would be 1 plus 1 into 1, 2. Correct. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Okay. Again, 8th, okay, 10th, yeah. So, anybody has a doubt on this question? Soumya, any doubt?
So, yeah, I had a doubt on this
Yeah,
one.
yeah,
Can you
yeah,
explain it? I
Yeah,
did not get it.
yeah. So first I'll solve this. This is what Sanvi has done. Any doubt at this time?
Sir.
When I solve this, this is the answer that I get. Any doubt about this step?
No.
This step is the same as applying the rule a raised to power m into a raised to power n, which will be equal to a raised to power m plus n. Any doubt?
No.
That is why she has written 2 plus 8, which should be equal to 10. Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, another way, if you want to take, a leap, is I can write this as a raised to power 5 into a raised to power 8 upon a raised to power 3. Is it okay? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Then in one step only, I can write this as 5 plus 8. Why? Because this is 5 plus 8. And then I can write 3. Any doubt about this step?
No, sir.
Sanviji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this will be 13 minus 3. This will be equal to a raised to power 10. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Aishwarya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Basically, when you are doing these questions, just remember the 3 basic laws of exponents that we had done in the beginning of the lecture. Once you are clear about those basic laws, you don't face any difficulty. So for example, this is the perfect solution. Shabash, very nice. Excellent. Very nice. And finally, this will be equal to a cube b. Soumya, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, what needs to be done is these have to be managed separately. And this will be your final answer. Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So these are the questions that we have done. First part is clear. Any doubt in the first? Any doubt in the first question that we have done?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Second
No,
question, first, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 10th, 11th. Any doubt in the second question?
Also, could you explain question 4 again?
Question
Like
4.
yeah,
Question number
that
2?
one.
Question number 2? This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See, what you need to understand is that I have a 21 here. You should be able to make out that this 21 can be written as 3 into 7. Is there any doubt still?
No.
So for example, when I look at this 32, I should be able to make out that I can write this as 2 raised to power 5 and 4 I can write as 2 square. Any doubt about this step still?
No.
Soumya ji?
No, sir.
So for example, I'll give you another example and I think that will make the things far more clearer. So for example, if you look at this, how should I do this question? Anybody can answer? Sanvi ji?
So can I try?
Yeah, absolutely. Can you just tell me?
You can take the a, so it will be a raised to 5 minus 3
Shabash.
and simplify the 4.
And that is what I'm trying to tell you. When I see a 2 raised to power 8 here, I'll write this as 2 raised to power 8. And this 4 I'll write as 2 square whole power 3. Have you understood what I've said?
Yes, sir.
Why should I do this? Because then I can write this as 2 raised to power 8 upon 2 raised to power 6 into a square. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Then I can write this as, Sanviji, how can I write this?
you will write 2 raised to 8 minus 6, which is equal into a raised to 2. So it will be equal to 2 raised to 2 into a raised to 2, which is equal.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
And now if we come back to this question, I write this as 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to power 8 whole power 3 into 7 into 11 cube. Any doubt about this?
No.
And this would be equal to, anybody wants to give the answer?
So,
Yeah.
3 raised to 0 and 7. Basically, 3 raised to 0 is 1.
Okay.
So, 1, like space 7, space 11 raised to 5.
Okay. Any doubt still?
No,
No.
got it.
Soumya ji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Aishwarya ji, any doubt still?
No, sir.